All right, so this is what the people have been telling me about as far as there being another card game episode. As soon as I saw it pop up in my feed, I was like, okay, well, we know what's gonna happen here, but Kitten is going to play Tzeentch, which um I'm fucking loving Tzeentch in this. He's creepy as hell, but at the same time I'm really loving him. So I can't wait to see what this is gonna be about. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I hated the Yu-Gi-Oh shows when I was a kid. I utterly couldn't stand them. But yeah, it's like this making a mockery of it is probably like the best thing I've ever seen. So let's go ahead and get into watching this. Hopefully we get to see more of Kitten and his wind-up kitten.
Right.
Well, companion, we have much time to pass before our arrival in the salamander's hidey-hole.
Right.
Why is he hanging
So
upside
what are you
down?
going to do first? Your suggestions were rather vague.
First off, behold!
Yay.
Are we going to learn the alphabet?
Incorrect.
Oh.
This is a Ouija board.
Oh, sweet.
Yes, indeed.
I've always wanted to play the Ouija board.
Never say these words again.
Oh.
Ouija boards have been used for
Melancholy
millennia to make
Ouija.
contact through seances. That is to say, attempts to speak with dead souls by tapping into the warp. This board is like a window into the immaterium with which the beings on the other side can speak to us. Naturally, warp predators make use of these to easily slip into the materium and possess flesh eager for answers they will not receive.
Why does it say Hasbro Incorporated?
Silence! Spare your vacuous questions for the correspondence!
I can't wait to speak to Luigi himself.
The Nova Cannon awaits you after this. Come on, to make it more efficient, you too must place your hand upon it.
Let's go.
Oh god.
Come on!
Sorry, I
He's
can't.
such a
But
fucking
why
nerd.
though?
I must firmly grip my weapon, ever and always.
But why though?
As a custodian guard, I must ever be vigilant.
Are you even capable of letting it go?
No.
Spirits of the past, move among us. Be guided by the light of this world and visit upon us. Is anybody with us?
Doesn't seem like it's working. Maybe you should call Hasbro.
Oh, it said yes!
Where's the
Alright,
guardsman coming from to
Who
get
are
started?
you? Y-O-U-R-A-D-O-P-T-I-V-E-P-A-R-E-N-T.
Your adoptive parent?
Wait, you mean my adoptive father from Prospero? Pops, is that really you?
Nope! It's father number 3, son!
Oh shit, it's Tzeentch.
Well, technically, I am your present adopted father, but that was only for a split second before I unadopted you so hard you got them straight into Prospero.
I knew leaving the palace was a bad idea.
Nevertheless, we're going home now. Skullband never had legal custody nor your best interests in mind, and parental child abduction is a grave offense in the immaterial court of law.
No!
Don't struggle, Magnus! Here, let me put on your old form. That'll help you drive model sales.
I have nipples on my head!
Come, don't be difficult. We're going now.
No, I don't wanna!
Magnus, don't mouth off to me.
I don't wanna go!
We're going.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
I wanna go!
We're going.
No!
Somewhere put you on timeout, young mister.
You're not my real
Well,
dad!
I'm the best you got.
Alright, stop.
Oh, are you denying me my property, silvery door stuff?
So, I mean, yes, in this particular instance, I am.
So what are you gonna do about it, big guy? You gonna tell me to dad at them and have your ministratum send me gold-spangled glitter bombs? Because I'll let you know right now, I change addresses every 5 minutes.
It's not surprising.
No. I know you're kind. You like to play games, do you not?
This may be the case. Why do you ask?
If so is the case, I wish to play a game for ownership of Magnus's soul.
You what?
Oh, really now? What is your game of choice then?
I challenge you to a game of Paradox Billiards or Square Roulette, fourth-dimensional hypercube chess strength poker!
Ow.
Really now? So that loony shaman chassis actually packs you trivial beings with such cranial capacity. It is rare for mortals to master such an intricate clash of the mind.
This is literally everything that I hated about those fucking shows.
That is the opposite of true.
The only intricate thing about this game is its ban list.
You must be quite the specimen, Silverware.
I'm not silvery.
Or are you?
I'm ghastly.
Very well. I accept your challenge. But let it be known, little one, this is now an Ultra game.
I hate this so much. I hated these
Okay,
things.
for real though, what's with the beef about being sent to Ultramar?
I don't know, but the deceiver says it flipping sucks, dude.
I don't think he's one to talk.
Quiet to let the game begin.
Sweetness, 3 of a kind. And wind-up Kitten, of course. Yes, remembering how he roughed up the Emperor, I'm sure he'll be able to finish Tzeentch off too.
I shall start things off.
Yay.
First, I use Pot of Green, which may or may not allow me to draw 2 new pieces of thin pasteboard. Oh, most interesting. I shall be sending these 2. I don't really need the rest, so I'll just be using card destruction to instantly annihilate and replace both our hands.
Whoa! No! Wind up, Kitten!
Yes, very good. I'll be setting this as well, and then I shall be using Pot of Avarice, which allows me to put 5 priorly thrown away cards back into my deck and then draw 2 new ones.
That is just a better version of the Pot of Greed card.
Also, we're destroying our cards again.
Again?
Nope, these blow. Destroy again.
Why do you have 3 of those?
Stock sound screen.
Now I activate Pot of Greed, which allows me to draw 2 more.
Okay, stop! Firstly, I know what it fucking does. Secondly, do you have 3 of every dumb card in this game? That should be utterly illegalized. And thirdly, are you just going to waste time drawing cards or are you actually going to do something?
I do have a plan. A plan so well conceived that it could potentially involve a most combustible demise on your part. See, I might just have seen every possible outcome of this duel beforehand and cornered you in an inescapable trap.
He hasn't. He's all too lethargic to inquire his Oracle Kairos about whether or not he will win his next children's card
If you
game.
don't shut your yap, you'll have to inquire Kairos about the next time you'll get dinner, boy!
Whatever, I don't care. Just continue.
Well, since you are so insistent in your wish for me to do a thing, here is the thing. I throw down the face down, hidden from your measly mortal eyes.
Great. Can't wait to see what it is when I attack it next turn.
Oh, just kidding. You have been fooled, pranked, tricked, deceived, bamboozled, led astray, insulted, for I activate Book of Time. This allows me to flip my monster up face. This is my very own morphing jaw. He's a cutie, and since he was flipped, it means his flip effect is flip-tivated. Morphing Jaw now returns to my deck as all my cards proceed to leak into the graveyard one by one until a new monster is found to take his place onto the field.
Stop flicking your cards.
Why are you emptying your own deck?
Simple questions from a simple mind. You may see the truth in due time.
Giving your deck diarrhea doesn't seem like the best strategy.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Perhaps
Why,
my
about
old
a
lady.
monster. About time too. I only have 2 cards left in my deck.
Wait, what? Does that mean you only have 1 monster in your entire deck?
This may be the case.
Oh, okay, that's done. Also, if you only have 2 cards left in your deck, that means you'll lose by decking out in just 2 turns.
Too bad for you, this game will not last 2 turns.
You vile fiend!
Well, as you suspected, Morphy Jar is back again. Now to celebrate his return and the excellent job he has done of emptying my deck, I shall set this trap card.
Why would you openly tell me it's a trap?
Because you will fall into it no matter what you try, little ratling.
You could just as well openly monologue about its effect to me if that's the case.
Why not? Your upcoming device is called Magical Explosion. When I activate it on your upcoming turn, you will lose 300 life points for every spell card thrown into the abyss. Seeing as most of my 60-card deck is now dwelling down there, and seeing as how I only have a single monster card, well, this will be about as much of a blasted wasteland as 75% of the planet owned by a barbarian sunny.
I assume this is slightly worrying. My turn yet?
Yes.
Oh, good.
actions wisely, little ratling, for this turn will be a valedictory.
Well, since it worked back home, I'm certain it'll work again. I activate Giant Trunade.
Oh?
That magical explosion of yours will not be detonating anytime soon, Warpspawn. Instead, it will be sent right back into your hand.
Oh wow, a massive play undone by a single card. Only in a children's card game. You know what? I play red-blue. I am not allowed to criticize here.
A cute maneuver. Exactly what I expected from a simple mind such as yours.
Well, that's rude.
I activate Dark Bride. How does it feel to unintentionally make a deal with the ruinous powers, little candlestick? Your cardboard blowing breeze will not faze me in the slightest.
Oh no! It didn't actually work!
Accurate.
In return, however, as a gesture of pity perhaps, the Dark Bribe allows you to draw one last card from your deck. We'll see if you can make it count.
Damn it. I have no cards in my hand that will help me. Whatever I play, his magical explosion will pull me out of commission before I can do anything. This will be my final chance to draw something that will help me. I have to believe. Have to believe in their... What was it? Spleen of the cards?
Wait,
What?
can you hear my thoughts?
Oh, what are thoughts really?
Yes, he can!
Screw you, Magnus!
That's just cheating. That means you know everything I have in my hand.
To be fair, you are going to lose no matter what, so who cares, right?
No! That's against the rules!
What are rules, really, though?
No! I will not stand for this! Companion, I shall help you help me attain my freedom from this monster!
I feel your definition of monster is rather skewed.
I will block him from entering your mind. I will keep him at bay while you draw your last card.
Oh, really now? You think you can keep me out of his mind, Magnus? I'd like to see you try, Sonny.
What the hell?
Quickly, companion! I cannot hold them back for long!
Thank you, Magnus. I will never forget this day in which you helped me help you by winning a children's card game.
Shut up and hasten your draw, companion!
Right! I shall draw my final card. Looks like my faith in my spleen of the cards has been well rewarded after all.
Stop lying.
This is no lie.
That's another lie, right?
Watch me! I activate Cup of Ace. With this card, the flip of a coin will decide the fate of this duel. If the coin shows head, I will draw 2 cards. If it shows tails, you will draw 2 cards. And you know what that means, don't you?
Ha! You only have 2 cards left, so you'll deck out and lose!
Is that it? Honestly, I thought I was in trouble for a second. I was expecting you to play that card, but it does not matter because I will chain it with Magical Explosion! No matter what, Magical Explosion will activate first and annihilate you. Better pack your bags, Magnus, cause it's right back to house arrest for you.
Oh, God.
See you around, walking near you. Hope you don't shatter too harshly on your trip to Ultramar.
I never said Cup of Ace is what was going to save me.
Eh?
I activate Mystical Space Typhoon! Your magical explosion has been negated and destroyed.
Ha! That means the effect of Cup of Ace goes through anyway!
Take that, you sentient heap of slime!
I am almost impressed. But someone should have told you that tempting fate while facing the architect of fate itself is a stupid idea in every possible sense of the word.
The only fate I believe in is that of mankind's prosperous future and dominance of the galaxy. One which need not be tempted, only proven to scum like you.
Alright, I'm throwing the coin now.
Do it!
Oh, look, it's tails.
Hey, I saw that with all 12 of my eyes.
So what?
You cheated. You shot it while it was in the air, so it stopped spinning somehow.
Cheated, you say?
That's against the rules.
What are rules really, though?
An interesting question, asshole.
Now draw your last pathetic card so I can end this Tzeentch.
Ah, nope, it ain't my turn yet.
What?
What now?
Did you really expect to outsmart me? That ain't happening, buddy. Things have been going just as planned. I activate Exchange of the Spirits! If both of us have 15 cards in our respective graveyards, I will pay 1,000 of my life points to swap the cards in our graveyards with the cards in our deck. And guess what you have? Exactly 15!
By the throne ball! Those card destructions! You intentionally placed 3 of them to fill up my graveyard!
Yes! Guess who's suffering deck dysentery now? Totally!
Oh no, my deck!
Now as for my deck, it is of course cool again. Oh, and thank you for the 2 free draws, by the way. Oh, and guess what I just drew?
I do not know because I am not a trans-dimensional crook.
Recognize this? Next turn would be all the same. Only exception being that all your lifelines have been exhausted, of course. After this turn, it would all be over!
I guess I'll pack it up after all. Tell Father I died tripping on a staircase or something.
No. You may say that after this turn. I will lose. But I will not allow this turn to end in the first place. You will lie defeated before this turn has come to an end, demon.
No need to put yourself in full-blown denial. This is a waste of all of our time at this point, and I have greater games to attend to.
You have made one critical error throughout this game. Will come right back at you at this. The cusp of the duel.
Which is?
You seem to be unaware that trickery and deception are not the only ways to achieve victory in battle. And what I need right now is not to play your game, but to indulge in the simpleness of a mortal human mind. I summon Rescue Cat in attack mode! Rescue Cat has the ability to sacrifice himself for his battle brothers, sending himself to the grave to summon forth 2 other monsters in his stead from my deck. And I call forth 2 Mindless Radiants! While they may seem small and insignificant on their own, their kinship makes them strong. As long as a Mindless Radiant is out on the field, every beast with Earth as its attribute gets their attack points increased by 500. That is 1,000 points for each Mindless.
This makes no difference. You still have to attack my morphing jar to get to me. And even then, I would just reincarnate him next round if he happens to meet his demise.
Oh, but I am not done yet, Tzeentch. Finally, I use Reborn the Monster. This allows me to bring back Rescue Cat one final time. Once more, he will sacrifice himself to bring about 2 more creatures from my deck to the field. And I choose my final Mindless Radiance and wind up Kitten in attack mode.
What are you trying to prove with this line of pathetic creatures?
I am demonstrating to you the true power of the Imperium through the use of small, fluffy animals. With a 3rd Mindless Radiance on the field, the power of my beasts increased by another 500 points, resulting in each gaining 1,500 extra attack points. But not only that, for I now activate my final card, the Big March of Animals!
God damn
This
it.
increases each of my beasts' attack points by another 200 for each beast on the field. Every beast now has 2,300 more attack points each, easily powerful enough to skewer your slimy exterior and make Demon God Calamari out of you. And what's more, Wind Up Kitten has a special ability. Show him!
What?
Looks like you've gotta change your mind!
That's awful!
Charge!
This never happened.
Or did it?
No,
Fuck you, Tzeentch! You're a nerd!
Well, I guess that's that.
Seems like he was in a hurry. Oh well, I presume I can finally roam the galaxy at large without have to worry about being used as a pawn in his game for dominance over the Immaterium anymore.
Thanks, me. Hey, by the way, where did we owe your soul now?
Alright, time to... no! I can't turn back to normal! Oh no! Father's gonna make so many chicken buns at my expense I'll go full-on Horus Heresy Mark II! Electric Boogaloo now in stores.
We're Magnus and not Horus.
Yes!
Also, my livery is still silvery.
I noticed that.
This is awful.
The worst! Come, let's go and play a card game that is actually good.
I want to play Call of Duty.
No!
So, Kitten has now beat the God Emperor of Mankind, while the Man Emperor of Mankind with Wind Up Kitten in attack mode. And he's beaten Tzeentch with Wind Up Kitten in attack mode. Next, he must play Corn. Just saying. Just saying. Okay, so, after this is episode 25. And I've already been told that the podcast, the opening for the podcast, is going to happen after that. Now, the podcasts are an hour long, and I'm going to be watching them. I'm going to try to do episode 25 and a podcast tomorrow if I have the time. But it's the holidays coming up, and we'll see how much time I actually do have. This last week has been kind of eventful. I haven't been able to put out as many videos as I wanted to, but at the same time, it's the holidays. Things happen. If I do not have a chance to see you guys before Christmas is over, I wish all of you a Merry Christmas, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, well, Happy Holidays to you. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for spending time with me, and I will see you guys next time.